வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 9 History Unit 5 The Classical World Lesson Book Exercise Question and Answer and Higher Order Thinking Questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one. Dash is the Greek city-state which resisted the Persians to the end. Option A, Acropolis. Option B, Sparta. Option C, Athens. Option D, Rome. Here the correct answer is option C, Athens. Second one, the other name for Greeks was dash. Option A, Hellenist. Option B, Hellenes. Option C, Phoenicians. Option D, Spartan. Here the correct answer is option B, Hellenes. Third one, the founder of An dynasty was dash. Option A, Uti. Option B, Hong Chao. Option C, Lu Pang. Option D, Mangu Khan. Here the correct answer is option C, Lu Pang. Fourth one, dash was the Roman governor responsible for the crucifixion of Jesus. Option A, Innocent I. Option B, Hildebrand. Option C, Leo I. Option D, Pontius Pilate. Here the correct answer is option D, Pontius Pilate. Fifth one, the Peloponnesian War was fought between dash and dash. Option A, Greeks and Persians. Option B, plebeians and patricians. Option C, Spartans and Athenians. Option D, Greeks and Romans. Here the correct answer is option C, Spartans and Athenians. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, Greeks defeated the Persians at dash. The answer is Marathon. Second one, dash stood in favor of poor peasants in Roman Republic. The answer is Tiberius Gracchus, Gaius Du Gracchus. Third one, Buddhism came to China from India during the reign of dash dynasty. The answer is Han. Fourth one, the most magnificent building in Europe was dash. The answer is Saint Sophia Cathedral. Fifth one, dash and dash were magistrates in Rome. The answer is Marius and Sulla. Roman letter 3, find out the correct statement. First one, statement 1, first Persian attack on Greece failed. Statement 2, the downfall of Roman Empire is attributed to Julius Caesar. Statement 3, the barbarians who invaded Rome were considered to be culturally advanced. Statement 4, Buddhism weakened the Roman Empire. Option A, 1 is correct. Option B, 2 is correct. Option C, 2 and 3 are correct. Option D, 4 is correct. So here the correct answer is option A, 1 is correct. Other 3 statements are wrong. Second one, statement 1, Euclid developed a model for the motion of planets and stars. Statement 2, Romans established a republic after overthrowing Etruscans. Statement 3, Acropolis became a famous slave market. Statement 4, Rome and Carthage united to drive out the Greeks. Option A, 1 is correct. Option B, 2 is correct. Option C, 2 and 4 are correct. Option D, 4 is correct. So here the correct answer is option C, 2 and 4 are correct. That is statement 2 and 4 are correct. Other 2 are wrong. Third one, statement 1, Silk Road was closed during the Han dynasty. Statement 2, peasant uprisings posed threats to Athenian democracy. Statement 3, Virgil's Aeneid glorified Roman imperialism. Statement 4, Spartacus killed Julius Caesar. Here the options are option A, 1 is correct. Option B, 2 is correct. Option C, 2 and 4 are correct. Option D, 3 is correct. So here the correct answer is option D, 3 is correct. That is, statement 3 is correct. Other 3 are wrong. Fourth one, statement 1. Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius was a tyrant. Statement 2. Romulus Aurelius was the most admired ruler in Roman history. Statement 3. Appius was a famous Carthaginian general. Statement 4. Tacitus is respected more than Livy as a historian. Option A. 1 is correct. Option B. 2 is correct. Option C. 2 and 3 are correct. Option D. 4 is correct. So here the correct answer is option D. 4 is correct. That is, statement 4 is correct. Other 3 statements are wrong. Fifth one, statement 1. Buddhism went to China from Japan. Statement 2. After crucifixion of Jesus, Saint Thomas spread the Christian doctrine. Statement 3. Saint Sophia Cathedral was the most magnificent building in Europe. Statement 4. Trajan was one of the worst dictators that Rome had. Option A. 1 is correct. Option B. 2 is correct. Option C. 3 is correct. Option D. 4 is correct. So here the correct answer is option C. 3 is correct. That is, statement 3 is correct. Other 3 statements are wrong. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. First one, Acropolis, a fortified city. Second one, Plato, philosopher. Third one, Marius, consul. Fourth one, Zeus, Athens. Fifth one, Epicurus, materialist. Fifth Roman letter, answer the following briefly. Question number 1. Attempt an account of slavery in Rome. Question number 2. Highlight the main contribution of Constantine. Question number 3. What do you know of the Carthaginian leader Hannibal? Question number 4. What were the reasons for the prosperity of an empire? Question number 5. Write about Saint Sophia Cathedral. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following in detail. Question number 1. Discuss the rise and growth of Athens, pointing out its glorious legacy. Question number 2. Write about India's position during classical position. Student activity. In an outline map of Europe, the students are to sketch the extent of Western and Eastern Roman Empire. Answer under caption and dynasty. Let us see some additional questions for TNPSC.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.